Hi, Crystal here from Krista Co-Design. Today I'm going to show you how to do a color change so that you get a nice clean edge here when you're doing a design that requires it. This one I did a more typical color change where you pull through on the last part of the stitch to change colors, and it's just not as clean as I'd like it to be. So for this hat, I have worked up right where I need it. Just starting my round here, and I'm ready to change to this bright orange color. Start with my slip knot. Slide that on. So what I'm going to do is pull this through my first color, then I'm going to pull on the original color so that it pulls down into the stitch post itself. Now I have the new color on my hook, and I'm going to just work into the next stitch with my new color, working over the previous color. So I'll do that however many times I require. I'm going to do 2 in this. Okay. Then, if I want to change back, I'm going to pull through, and then I'm going to pull that down so that up top there you see it becomes a very, very tiny little slip stitch. Now that's not going to count as a stitch. And I'll yarn over, insert my hook into the next stitch to do a half double crochet, and I'm going to pull these snugly, but not too much. Let's see, I'm going to change back to orange here, pull it through, stop, tighten this one so it pulls down into the stitch, yarn over, insert my hook, complete my half double crochet stitch, and again. There we go. So now, side facing me here on the inside is the right side of my hat fabric, and you can see 2 distinct colors with very little bleed over, and you can see your 2 distinct stitches. If you look very closely, you can see the little bitty slip stitch that we made to change colors. You want to be aware of those so you don't count it as a stitch, but that's why we pulled it down and tight so that it won't be confusing. And that is how you do it. I'll do one more for you from orange to gray. So I'm just going to slip stitch through, pull on the previous color, pull it down. Now the new loop on your hook is your new color. And just working over those colors and kind of pulling them snugly together keeps everything looking nice and clean for your pattern. Again, this is Crystal from Krista Co-Design. Thanks.